see if we can change the quality.
Yeah, you can.
Really?
You can go even all the way down to 720, and then you can go even as low as 160p,
Yeah, I
which
see
I've
that.
never heard of.
Okay.
I wonder what 160p looks like. I'm about to actually let me select 160p. I want to see what it looks like. Oh my god. Okay, 160p looks like my Wi-Fi half the time.
Get my stream up on my phone while Unity and Blender are loading up. Actually, Blender's been loaded up, but let me just get Unity.
Wait, did you restart your PC?
Yeah, I had to.
Oh. I thought you just crashed or something I was fixing. No. I'm gonna sneeze.
Oh yes, that nice 1080p. Bless you.
Thanks. I don't know why I said thanks early. It's like a reaction.
It's all good.
Oh my god, dude.
Now, let's find that project. Blender project. There it is. Loading. Put the reblend file. Using DNA block. Whatever, I can just import the model. It's fine. Yeah, I really hope the project opens right, because I did save it, but I didn't actually close it before I did it, which I probably should have done. Instead of just stopping it abruptly.
Yeah.
Because I think that's the reason why I can't open the Blender file, but the Unity one seems to be doing just fine, so... Okay, I'll remember that for future reference. Okay, I'm learning. I'm learning a lot today.
Yes.
God dang, I had 5 viewers. Where'd they all go? Oh, there's 2. So how far have you got?
So I got a good distance, right? I'm more researching than actually doing right now. And then I kind of took a break for a quick bit because I was wondering what the hell happened to you. I was like, did he restart his PC or not? But I hopefully can get the interact objects done by today, and basically when you get near an object or you meet the requirements for being able to interact with an object, whether that be you're close to it or you have the right item or privilege, then you can interact with it and it'll do another function, and that function will be whatever you want, such as UI or like you chuck a ball. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out how the frick the reference crap. And I also was trying to, while I was at that, I was trying to integrate the Discord crap into our Twitch, but I came across an issue, and I think it's that we need to link our Twitch to our Discord account, but we don't have a Vertices Discord account.
Oh, I do.
We all have our own. Oh, you made like a Vertices Discord account? Oh, okay.
I remember you logged onto it once.
Discord?
Yeah, you were asking if we had a Discord account, and I said yeah. I don't know what you needed it for, but I remember you did.
So why is he not in the Vertices thing? Why is that account not in Vertices then?
I don't know.
what I'm trying to get at is I think to do it that he has to be in the vertices
Okay.
chat.
Um,
I think.
yeah, in that case, you would have to log in, tell me the pin, whatever, I don't know, whatever it's called.
Hold on. Well, I'm trying to figure this out first before we even have to go that far, because apparently if we go to server setting Twitch, but there's server, you get
Oh my god,
integration.
okay, thank god. My heart just dropped. I opened up the Unity project and there was nothing there, but I just didn't have the scene open. Okay.
Oh yeah, there we go. We can connect Twitch. Wait, but if I do it on my account, that's great. I'm just gonna log in. Wait, no. Oh my. All right. What if I do it just right here? Is it gonna count? Is it gonna be like, oh, this is me, or is this like vertices? I really don't know. Yeah, I press connect Twitch. Let me see what happens. Let me see what it does.
Okay, that's open. That's open. I'll make the hierarchy here. Drag this in.
Okay, so it opened up
in,
Twitch.
down. Okay, and drag this over. Okay.
Oh. So did something.
Okay.
Oh, please tell me I was logged into Vertices. Please tell me I was logged into Vertices. Please tell me I was logged. Alright, it looks like I was logged into Vertices, but let me see. Can I go to widgets now? Where is it? Twitch is connected. Your Twitch account is connected to your Discord. So what do I go back to the Vertices? No, just like refuel it or refresh it. What? Bruh, alright, hold on, let me read this again. So get out of here. Get out of here. So
Alright, and we should be back on the stream. If not, no, we're not. Wait, is the minus button just not work anymore? What are the hotkeys just reset? Hold on. Yeah, they did. Why did they reset? That's dumb. I guess because it stopped abruptly and had to save or something. I don't know.
oh wait.
Okay. Now it should switch.
Oh wait.
There we go.
Oh my god, I'm so lost. So wait.
Okay. Perfect. Now we're exactly back to where we were.
Alright, so for streamers, go to integrations. Sync your Discord account. Oh my god, with your partnered Twitch account. We ain't partnered. We
Nope.
don't got more than like CJ Wilson and a bunch of other people in now. And then we got Flash, and then we got Insomniac, and then we got Sleepy. But that's not it. We ain't got that anymore. Why does everything have to be partnered?
Yeah.
We just want to stream, boy.
We're just starving artists.
I'm not starving. I got food.
Oh. Lucky.
Okay, so
Well, yeah, I guess Wilson's the only starving artist.
Poor Wilson.
Literally.
Dude, Wilson has more money than all of us.
No, CJ does.
No. Well, that's because CJ works like 24/7. Is he even here yet? Yeah, he should still be here. His account didn't go yellow. CJ, speak up. I don't know why I pressed deafened. Whoops. Wrong way. You know what? How about this? Let me see if I could do this instead. I do not think we have to be partnered.
Nice
I think we can just
lights.
go to here. Okay, so do we even have a? We should probably make a rules page if I'm honest, before we start setting up this, because I have to choose a channel where they should be invited to. So do you think we should make a rules page? Oh, you already have a rules page.
Yeah, I didn't
and
actually
it's
work on
empty.
them. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna work on that now. you spout out some rules that we need.
Okay.
And then I'll put it in a cool looking format or something. Or should I make the bot spit out the rules? You know, no, I'll put out the rules. I'll put out the rules myself. I mean, we can always update it whenever we need. So what's or let me find a cool looking font, I guess, for the rules. Let's see what C# looks like. Oh wait, C#. You have to type sharp. You can't do it like that. What does C# do? Okay. No.
Oh. The room needs to be darker so that the neon lights can actually have an effect. Actually, should I put a light by the neon lights? A light source. So otherwise, it's kind of pointless. I mean, it looks cool, but other than that.
Yeah.
Okay. Just making sure that my noise gate is at the best level. I'd say
Okay, so we got C#.
30.
We got CS. We got CSS.
If I mumble to myself,
We got Java.
I'm gonna keep reducing it until it when I mumble to myself it doesn't pick it up. So
R.
mumble.
Ruby.
Out of here. Mumble.
Java.
There we go.
Script.
That's like perfect.
Visual Basic.
Like right at negative 24 decibels. So I'll do negative 27. There we go. Not too much, not too little.
What does it do again? No. I don't know. What's a good? Let me go back to streaming really quick. You said I posted it above or something. Oh, I see it. C++, ini, and CSS. So CSS if we want to make everything like that. I'll do ini and then I'll do CSS. I'll do ini. Yeah, wait. I'll do ini. You know what I'm gonna do. I'll do both. I'll combine them to make it very obvious. So let's do some ini. All right, and then wait. Oh, it's not color coding. What the hell?
Alright, time to organize the hierarchy.
There we go.
The most exciting part.
Rule. Oh my god, how the hell does any work? Is it like inline text? Are you not allowed to have anything?
This hierarchy is going to be organized or separated by rooms. And inside each room empty is going to have lights, decoration, furniture, and architecture.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to put rooms, an empty called rooms. Make sure it's centered. And then make a bunch of empties based on all the rooms that we're going to make. So we're going to start with entrance.
Rule 1.
Main room, or main lobby. I'm just going to call it lobby. And then theater.
Theater.
I'll just put library since it's right next to the lobby. Okay, and then side of actually walls. Yeah, the architecture's all its own thing, like its own Blender project. So I'm just not even gonna have a subfolder for architecture. So I'll just have it be decorations, lights, and what's else, the furniture, and then whatever else I need. Like I don't know. But yeah, so logo goes in entrance. Actually, I gotta make the actual folders first. So decorations, furniture.
So what should be the first rule?
I guess like.
Actually, wait. Before we go any further, do you want to like rules or do you, like numbered rules like rule 1, don't do this, rule 2, don't do this, or should we have a like kind of paragraph like, please don't be poopy head. Please
Uh,
just
what
chill.
numbers?
Numbers?
Yeah.
I'm down for that. And then we can reference those numbers if they ask
Yeah.
why they're getting douche.
Ahem.
I'll be like,
Rule number 5.
rule number 5. Did you check it? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You need more detail? Yeah, I need more detail. Book 5, chapter 4, section 3, and I
Just
think line 433, character 2.
why don't
Which
you just load up Vertices Workplace, head to the library, and go in section B, pick up book,
dude,
whatever.
we could so do that. We could so do that. That there we go. That's how we can. That's how people can. That's how we'll make. That's how we'll give warnings. They have to go read that exact line and send it back to us.
Okay.
All right. So, rule 1. What's rule 1, Aaron? Lay
Um,
it on me.
I guess like about like
Anything.
how you shouldn't post anything that's like not related to what you're
The
working
channel.
on. Yeah, not just stuff that's not related to what you're working on unless it's in garbage. Um, so I don't know how the exact way to word it would be.
Yeah, I'll just type out how I think it should be worded, and then I'll tell you. I'll relay it back and see if you like it. Um, Actually, I need a more stronger kind of a color code. I want it to be like it makes things red if you're not supposed to do it. So like, do not post and like red.
Hmm.
I could do something like that because he's like, oh, never mind. I don't think it works like that unless.
Chair, coffee table, lamp, TV, couch, furniture. Chair, furniture. Actually, let me copy and paste these guys into here. Copy. Go to you. Then make a new one. Furniture. Okay, copy and paste. And copy and paste. Okay, hopefully this stream will be much better because 1, it's 1080p, 2, there's no static making that noise, and 3, my noise quite isn't
Not
uh
knowing that.
isn't at like 20 decibels like it was before.
Oh, there's a script. There's a programming language called Q, and it makes the word not red. That's so perfect. That fits so perfect. So we'll do Q. Do not post. Do not post unrelated. Wait, I
Also
don't
put
post
one for
material.
sound,
Unrelated.
audio sources. I also have one for particle effects.
Uh,
Alright. Now that's organized. Actually, first I need to grab these and come in here. There we go. Now it's time to name everything. So it's not just point light dot point 001.
yeah.
I mean, then again, a lot of these don't really have names, right? Can't really have names right now. I mean, this could be like lamp light, but other than that, yeah.
Yeah.
But like table, I don't know. Maybe this isn't the time to rename it.
But I honestly don't know how to word these rules. I just put do not post material unrelated to the channel you are in. Is that good enough? And I'll put like an example of a good bad one.
Okay. So I think at the beginning, we should say it shouldn't be like a rule, just like a disclaimer saying this channel is for I don't want to say for work. That sounds I don't know, but I don't know what I should say.
For productivity.
Yeah. That's yeah for it is for
So
product
wait, how do you
productive
want me to do this? So
purposes. So like
try to keep the channels for productive purposes.
so what I want you to do is at the beginning put just disclaimer. This channel is for productive purposes. Um,
Wait. For every channel
for yeah
or in the rules?
okay. So just what I want you to do. Okay, so at the beginning, it's gonna say just a disclaimer. It's not gonna be numbered. It's not gonna be a rule, but you're just disclaiming that this channel is for productive purposes. And in the next rule, you're gonna say that you can don't post stuff related to what not related to what you're working on, but then only in the garbage channel can you do that. Just because
So
what
in the rules channel,
right
I post that
right
disclaimer: use channels for the related material, or
okay hold on
because like I'm a little confused because if you want me to post them in every channel, then
no
it's gonna get pushed up. Oh, okay. Just making sure.
hold on I'm typing what I mean.
Yeah, I see the button. No, it's typing.
Actually, I'm just gonna DM it to you, but um.
Oh, I'm gonna call.
Okay.
All right. Luke, don't you dare start this. Look, I'm paying. I'm paying you. I'm paying you. You happy? Oh, you're a good girl. No. You're showing outside. Yeah. Give me paw. Give me paw. Hey, I wanted paw. Don't look away. Paw. Paw. And you're too cute.
Okay. I'm DMing you what I want right now. There. And make
Thank
sure the
you.
first line is like big and bold or something.
So, a disclaimer saying this server is for productive purposes,
Yeah, and then
and then
right.
inside of the rule one.
Because I just want to give
Oh,
a bit more clarity as to why. Just because I wanted to just exclaim that the reason that I don't
yeah,
want unrelated posts is because this is like a bit more serious. A bit more
yeah,
serious of a server.
yes. But, but I do want to give them their channels for, like, obviously we already have the garbage channel, so pretty much anything that they would ever come up with, uh, that's unrelated can just be put in there.
Mhm. Like like if someone's like I don't know talking about like what they're working on, they're like, oh well, and they want to post like an image of like what they're referencing. Like say you're working on an anime girl or something, anime girl
Yeah.
image, and you're like, okay, like what are you trying to work on? It's like, oh well, here's like a reference image, and it's like I don't know, just like a lewd anime girl like that. As long as it's not naked, obviously that's fine because it's related to what you're working on.
Hold up. Do we support NSFW? Or should wait? Do we have a chat for that?
No, but I'm
We'll ask the majority. We'll ask the majority
okay.
later.
I'm just making
I
a
mean, if
point.
you don't want to, then.
I'm just making a point that like as long as it's related in some way to what you're working on, it's
Mm-hmm.
okay. But if it's not related, if it's just like memes and crap, then no, that
Then
goes in
yeah.
garbage.
All right, I get you. I get you. Let me see if I can make a disclaimer look really potent. To be honest, I might just do not a coding thing. I might just do, no. I want a coding looking thing. So let me just go open here. Let me do a massive. I honestly don't know if I remember. Disclaimer. I hope I spelled that right. Because if I have to go back and put that again, I'm gonna cry. Disclaimer. And I'll do this to make it dashed. Oh, that looks smexy, not gonna lie. Disclaimer. And then we'll do one of these. Boom. Alright, now we need a programming language that looks formal. Let's try to see. This server. And we'll do. Oh, it even color coded server. Oh, I like that. Vertices. This server. Vertices. We gotta be one of those people that are like, by this, we mean this server. The Vertices server. Not, you don't get to make up your bullcrap and say, I thought you meant this channel. No. No. We smart, Aaron. This server, Vertices, is for productive purposes. Is for yeah. Okay. I think that looks good. Now let me see. Do not post material. Wait, all right. Do not post any. We gotta be smart. Any. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, Q is now my favorite code thingy to write crap in. You'll see why in a second. I'll post a rule and I'll just edit it.
Okay.
So you can see it and tell me if you like the format. But do not post any material. Or I'll just copy exactly what you have. Do not post any unrelated material to the channel. To the I don't know. Do not post any unrelated material to the channel you are working in. However, can I like make however look special? Is there code for that? If do however you may post whatever you want in the garbage channel. Can I do something like this? And then let's do. Alright, I'm just gonna post it. Tell me if you like it.
Okay.
I don't like how it spaces it out so far.
It's the channel you are working on, however you may post whatever you want. The garbage channel. Yeah.
I just like how it made it red and blue and then rule 1 being blue. But the issue is when you do code blocks like that, it makes them so far from each other. So I don't know if I should keep that.
I mean, it keeps it nice and spaced out, which I think it's fine.
Okay, then I'll continue with it. We can always change it later, or yeah.
We'll see.
I also want to link a reference to garbage channel, so I think I might have a links at the end or something. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, if you really didn't understand what we meant by garbage channel, it's right here. Just click it. Because who knows? Some people who are new to Discord are like, why does it have a hashtag in the front of it? Garbage doesn't have hashtag in front of it. And then we'll be like,
Bruh.
we gave you a link. Yeah, bruh. See, bruh, Nana, a friendly bruh. When did I change my name? When did I change my name? Go back to the original.
Oh yeah, I was thinking of changing your name back one time.
Bruh, time. Bruh. Brustopian Sawmill. I think I'm gonna change Jason's name without him knowing. I'm gonna make it Bro Web. Bruh Bracol. I don't know. Nebra. Oh my god, no. I actually forget I said that. That sounds so much like not what we should be saying.
Okay.
Zebra works though. That sounds like zebra, like a black and white zebra. Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Good.
Yeah, sure.
Um. Okay. Uh. How much longer are you gonna be streaming for?
Um, the way I say right now, probably till 8.
All right. Uh, I thought something like that might happen, so I'm gonna call back the person who's calling me. The reason I didn't pick up was because I figured it would have been a little bit of a longer call,
Uh-huh.
and by longer I mean like an hour.
Yeah.
So, uh, so yeah, I
What?
may just take that now before they go to bed,
Okay.
and I'll be working on the rules though. I'll probably just DM you if I need something. So I'll be right back.
Alrighty. Now these neon lights are actually looking a bit more like neon-y. Or like they're actually producing light. As opposed to that, you can actually see it reflecting on the wood, which is very nice. And let's do the same thing for over here. We might change the flooring because the wood doesn't really fit. I don't know. It's alright, but also I don't like that. That needs to move a little bit. A little bit more. Okay. Good. Actually, wait. If we put... There we go. Gotta keep it exact. And then just take these two lights, wherever they are. There they are. Copy and paste. Right there. And just drag them 10 over. Perfect. That is literally perfect. Okay. Next, just gotta grab another area light. Like so. There we go. Reset the transfer. Oh, it's already reset. Okay. And gonna make it go at that angle. And we're gonna put it how far? -5. Yes. And then 11. Okay. Right. We're gonna make it. How big is that? 10, 20. Yeah. Okay. And we're gonna actually reduce the Y to like 0.25. And then make the light pink. Okay. Now what's the intensity of these ones? 200 as well. And for these I might do like 300 because they're darker. 180 and drag it over there. All right. Looks good. I like it. Ooh, and it's kind of like shining through the couch, like the holes in between. I kind of like that. It's not even on purpose. Yeah, I think that's good for the neon lights. I think, yeah, we'll work on the door. Also, I don't like how the light's coming through there, but it's fine for now. Yeah, we're gonna work on either the elevator doors or the main room. I think we'll work on the elevator doors for right now. Okay. Alrighty. So, how are we gonna do this? Trying to think of how an actual elevator would be. Huh. Okay. What I'm gonna do is make tiny walls. Two sets of walls. Because one for the inside, one for the outside, and we're gonna make like that big. 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, yeah. And I think I might try mirroring it actually from right here. Because they're gonna be the same thing. So mirror, which way is this? Y. And it should be 0.5, I believe, or 0.25, or 0.2. Really? Huh. Okay. Trying to think of why it's like that, but I mean the numbers don't lie. Okay. Now we're just gonna move it up to halfway. So it's how tall is this again? This should be, let's say the walls 10 is 5 so, and okay, I'm trying to do the math in my head. So this is 5 long. Right now this is 1 long, so let's go 4. So 4 long to get to the top. Right? I believe. Yeah. So that means I need to go, what was that, 1.5? The middle? Oh, by the way, I should be moving it in object mode. So, what does that look like? Oh, hold on, let me switch back to Blender. Under? Oh, hold on. There we go. So yeah, let me look. I'm just gonna use this for now. And then wireframe. That looks like halfway. Cool. So then that should, I have no idea how much that would be. Excuse me, 2.5. 2.5 high, and now that they're the right size, we just gotta cut a hole through them. Like so. So we're gonna take these. Whoops. Not what I wanted to do. There we go. Stop it. Don't do that. Wait, why is it doing that? Oh, right, 'cause I mirrored it. Okay. That explains it. Actually, why is there only one? Okay, now that I was actually looking, it did it. Okay, now that we have both these edges, let's edge select and scale them into point. I guess the same thing as the doors here, 0.02. And let's get rid of the. Let's make it so there's actually actually a hole in it. Go to wireframe mode. Get rid of that, so it should be a straight hole through. Yeah. All right. Let's go to wireframe mode. Hold on. Okay. So now we just need to actually put walls in between here. so it's not just a hole through it. I can actually go vertex mode for that. There we go. Wall there and wall here. Last thing we need to do is get rid of the holes here, or the walls there. And looks good, I think. I'm pretty sure I got everything. Yeah. Yeah, we're good. Cool. So lastly, oh, hold on. Why is it not perfectly? Why is there like a slight crack through there? Yeah, what's up with that? Huh. Odd. Okay, well, it doesn't matter. Let's just make it scale. Its scale was 1, really? Really? Scale that to like 1.01. There we go. Now that should be perfect. Okay. So yeah, these doors here. Oh, these doors here on the inside will just recede into the wall. So I'm gonna have to have them like back up a little bit just so they're not Zed fighting through here. And then as for these doors, they're just gonna back up. There's gonna be a wall here, and they're gonna back up into there. So yeah, let's just get a cube, mirror it again on the x-axis. On the y, right there. Drag it over there. Perfect. Oops. 0.5. Actually, no, not that way. This way. 0.5. And then 0.5 again. Nice. By the way, I should not have been moving it in edit mode, but actually no, I had to because I was mirroring it. So let's just reset the origin. Same thing with these. You have to reset the origin. Okay. Actually, let's do that after we apply the modifier. Let's actually apply it now. And then do it. There we go. Just to make sure. I know this guy. Oh yeah, actually, I did the same thing. So hold on, let me just undo all the way back. So we can apply it. Yeah, let's just apply it afterwards. So let's just leave it for now. Let's actually bring it up here though. 0.5, I believe. Not 0.5, but 5 meters. How much is that? Triple? Quadruple. Yes, quadruple. Okay. So those stay there, and then this will be the wall where you type in the number or whatever. And also we need to have a wall. We need to have a wall right. Stop it. A wall right here. Where should that be? 0.25. 25. There we go. Love and stuff just kind of adds up perfectly. That's the best. Also, we might have our first doubles right here. Possible. Also, oh, I can't select it because it's mirrored. Okay. Yeah, let me apply all the mirrors real quick. Also reset origin. Good. Now I can select these vertices. Put a face right there. Yeah, we're gonna have reverse doubles, so let's remove those as soon as we can. Right. Actually, first, before I do that wall, I'll do this one. I won't be able to see that one when I do this one. Perfect. So now we need to select everything. Oh yeah, because I imported it from Unity. It'll look like that. Fine though. Oh yeah, I forgot the updater, so you can't use that keybind. Get rid of doubles, so we have to go do it from here. Oops, not sep. Oh, oopsie. What? No, wait, which? Oh, merge. That's right. Oh, okay, so they were somehow far enough away to not be considered doubles. Somehow. It's interesting. Okay, so now the room is perfect. Now we got the doors, so all I gotta do is separate them by loose parts. So then now these guys can. Oh, hold on. Oh yeah, I forgot to actually separate these into two different doors. Actually, I thought they were separated. Weren't they? Huh. I thought they were. Apparently not. Well, I'm gonna check something. Oh, that's right, they were just separated by. Okay. Alright, in that case, let's actually remove these edge loops. I have to do this twice because I applied the mirror modifier already. Oh, it's not dissolving the edge. Okay, well, that's fine. I think. Let me just drag. Let me actually just hide everything but this. Or just drag it out. Yeah, let's drag it out by 25 meters. So how come I can't just edge loop? What's up with that? Normally it's because there's doubles, but no, there's none. It's just not letting me do it. I thought there were doubles, but there's not. And it's just for some reason not letting me do an edge loop. I mean, it's not a big deal, I could just dissolve it from here. Or at least I thought I could. Alright, fine. Actually gonna make me do this. Okay. Reattach these faces. Alright, then once I. Ooh. Oh, never mind. I just didn't select that one. Also, whoa, that should not be there. Okay. That's probably the issue. How did I check for doubles? Whatever. Make sure these are all good. Get rid of that. Alright, but once I finish this door, I'll just move it to the middle and mirror it again. Okay. In fact, I'm just gonna get rid of the other one right now and move this one to the middle. So it's like 1.5? 2. It's 2. Or, wait a minute, no. Hold up. 0.5. 0.25. Okay. Actually, wasn't it 0.2? No, it's not. It's not even 0.25 either. Where is the center? Like right here. Oh, okay. Right, that makes sense because the door is a third of a meter, or more than a third of a meter. It's in it is a denominator of 3, I guess is what I should say. Okay. We got the door here. Now, last thing to do is. Whoops. Nope. There we go. Last thing we need to do is scale it in to 0.02. Actually, they should be farther apart than that. 0.05? 0.12. Yeah, 0.2 is good. We'll do 0.2, delete faces, reattach. This is tedious work, but it's got to be done. And we'll get it done in just a sec. Okay, that's done. It should be perfect. It is. Now it's in the middle. Let's mirror it. There we go. Move it back 1.5. No. Oh, 1.6. Like 1.6. Cool. Move it back 25 meters. And there we go. Now what I gotta do is apply the mirror. And separate the loose parts. And then we need to actually select these ones, Okay. But these just oh, these aren't separate. Wait, why aren't they separate? Why aren't they separate? Oh, I know why. Ah, crap. Ah, my god. Hold on. Because somewhere in here, it looks like yeah. No, is it? Oh, it's because of this. Why is this here? There we go. I missed one. That was the only thing linking it together. Okay. Well, now if we do, oops. Now if we do P, for those parts. Now they should be separate. And yes, they are. Awesome. Okay, let me do the same thing with this one. Where is it? There it is. Or is it? No, it's on the other side. Yep, there it is. Okay, delete that and separate by those parts. And there we go. The only thing left to do is move this door back a little bit, just a tiny bit. Like 0.1. There we go. So that way when it moves inside of the wall here, you won't see it Zed fighting on the other side. Alright. And then when these ones move in, or move out, and it'll look clean. And the whole elevator can move up just fine. And the doors will be closed, and that'll be the end of it. Alright. Nice and clean. Now we need to readjust everything. Apply rotation, RX90. Apply rotation, RX90. Alright. Now let's export as walls real quick. Workspace, projects, workspace, assets, models, architecture, walls. There we go. Let's hope this doesn't mess anything up. Please don't, because I'm importing it from a different project. Thank God, okay. I just realized how dangerous that could have been, but we're good now. We are good now. Okay, got the doors in. Awesome. Also, maybe I should increase the, or decrease the distance between these two. You can kind of peer out a little bit, which is fine, but yeah, I might change that real quick, actually. So, let's do that. Let's just move this one over like what, like, okay, for a second I thought it was still mirrored. Move it over negative 0.01 02, yeah, negative 0.02. Okay. 0.02. Very good. Now they're still separate. It's very, very slight. Cool. And now these ones, let's just do the same thing again. Actually, can we do it to both at the same time? Probably not. We'll try. Yeah, no, I don't think so. Okay. 0.02 negative and 0.02. Perfect. Alright. And then just gotta export it one last time. There we go. Much better. Now they're shut tight. That's the only thing that bothers me here. Oh, the area lights kind of seep in somehow. I don't know how, but they do. I'll have to fix that. Yeah, that bothers me. I mean, it's mostly because of how smooth this texture is. If I change that, it wouldn't be there at all. But I mean, we're working with stainless steel, so it kind of has to be smooth. Yeah, I'll fix it somehow. I'll find a way. There's a slight crack here, but actually, even is there? Maybe a little bit. It's. I don't see one. Yeah, I don't think so. Oh no, definitely not, because there's this whole wall here. Yeah. Okay. So light's done. Door's done. Also, why does it look kind of weird? There, that doesn't look right. Hold up. Around the same Z value. Okay. 7. Alright. So, why does it look really odd? Yeah, they're not taller than each other. But in Unity, it looks like they are. Yeah, in Unity, they absolutely are. How'd that happen? How did that happen? Huh. Hmm. Let me just reapply the origin. Guys. There we go. I don't imagine that would have fixed the issue, but I just not sure why it's happening. These guys are the same values, same scale. Yeah, 1 point, yeah. And they look the exact same right here. So why? Oh, that's different. How'd that happen? Oh, I see it there. I didn't see that one. But how did I see that through this way, though? I shouldn't have been able to see that. Hold on, let's export it again. Walls, export, okay. Okay, I gotta keep remember to switch to Unity. There we go. Yeah, it's still taller in here. This one isn't, but that one is. Why? Check the values in here. Okay, how tall should it be? Okay, so we're in that case, we're just gonna copy this value since all the other ones have it. And insert it. Oh yeah, it's also different here. What the heck? Still not even the right place. That's really odd. They should be the exact same. Because they are here. Wait. Unless, oh my god, no they're not. How did I miss that? So, how are they at all different? What the heck? Okay. Alright, let's keep the value like that. Make sure all the values are the same. Okay. So they're the exact same size and in the same position. The only thing that could be different is their origin, but it's not. So how in the world are they different sizes? How does that make any sense? Huh. I don't know how that happened. Hmm. I'm really not sure. Maybe I changed it in edit mode for some reason. Huh. Really wondering why. Okay, so is it bigger on the bottom then? No, it's smaller on the bottom. So it's not a scale thing, it's a position issue. 0.01. Point, no, 0.01. Still not even, where is it? It is. No, it's not. Okay. 0.0002, Jesus. 5. 2, 2, 5. I don't know how that happened. But it did. Somehow. Well, they're different. Wow. That doesn't make any sense. Check the bottom of these two. Yeah, that's all good. Alright, whatever. It's not a big deal. Let's export like that. And they should be fixed, which they are. Awesome. Alright, let's apply the stainless steel material onto there it is. Onto the doors. Alright. Elevator is done, at least in terms of modeling. I mean, gonna have to apply some different textures on it and put a panel here, but besides that, it is done for now. Alright, what next? I've done pretty much everything I wanted to do today. Neon lights, finished the room here, made everything symmetrical, and I made the units in Blender sync up with the units in Unity, and I made the elevator shaft nice and clean. It's very clean. And this is pretty much everything. I might even end the stream here. Not sure. Because I could do more stuff over here, but I'm not too sure on the layout exactly. I'm trying to think. Well, what I could do is expand upon what I have here, because the walls and stuff are all gonna be one model. Not one model, but they're all gonna be in the same Blender project. Just so I can keep really good control over everything. So I might expand this so that it actually covers everything here. Not sure though. Let's see. So let's look at the floor here. 35 by 35. So this is 70, and this is how long? How big? This is 20 meters big, and this is 70. Okay. So in that case, we'd have to make these walls 25 units big each. Okay. Alright. That works. In fact, I might have to do it as a 27. Let's just do it now. Let's start making the walls. Alright, put it right there. Yeah, I can go for another 40 minutes, but then at 8 I'm gonna actually stop. I got a little burnt out. So this should be 25, 20, or sorry, 12.5 long. And then move up by 1.5, or no, just a half. Okay. Things all lined up, cool. Let's just move it up to the middle. 5, 6. Yes. Oops. Yeah, don't want to do that. Move back to there and then there. Okay. Yeah, that's even. Okay. This should be 5. Yes. Alright, and we'll just duplicate that and put it on the other side. Nice. Okay. Getting an idea of how this is gonna look just based on me putting the walls in. It's actually helping a lot already. Alright. 0.5 and 0.5. Okay. Move it 25. Do it again. Oh, hold up, what's going on there? 25, 25, 75. It adds up to 70. Oh, yeah. So, oh, right. These walls should be different size. Yeah, they should be a third of 70. Oh boy. 23.3. Then do that in half. Actually, I'm just gonna do 70 divided by 6. Okay, so now I'm not too comfortable with the walls being that, you know, with being that number, but it's not a big deal. Alright. You know what? I think it is actually. I'm gonna make sure these are, yeah, I'm gonna make them 40 by 40. It's gonna be a big floor. Oops, not that way. I'm just gonna make a whole new floor. Because I really like, for something as important as these walls, I really want it to be in a very even number. Okay. So that's good. 47 over. Cool. Now what we're gonna do is fix these walls. So they should be, instead of 12.5, they should be, let's see, that's, how big is this again? Oh. Because that's 10. So, yeah, okay. And 0.5 again. I don't know why I put 3.5, just 0.5. Alright. Awesome. Now, duplicate that. Put it over here, and we shouldn't have to do another 0.5 thingy, do we? No, we don't. Awesome. Okay. Then these walls should be A third of four. Oh, yeah, over. I forgot we need to be doing it in thirds. Actually, no, we don't. I don't know why I think we need to do it like that. We could do it in fourths or seconds or halves. I mean. So instead, we could do. Actually, I should not use that one. I should use this one. I don't know why I deleted it in the first place. Okay. I guess we could do we call it 20. We could do 20. That. Or we could do all one wall. I don't know. The thing is, I want there to be doors in each section here, like one door here, that lead to different places. But maybe we'll have two doors. Maybe two doors is better. You know what? For now, actually, I don't know why I'm making this such a big deal. I could just make it 40, and then, just add a loop cut. That's all I have to do. I don't have to make it two different models. Just add a loop cut, like that. So I'll leave it at a scale of 40. There we go. This will give me a much better idea of the scale here that we're working with. Okay. How far? Just there and right. Oh, right there. Awesome. That's the walls in. And well, I want them to be a bit higher. Like, cause like right here, you know, if you look at it inside, it's like they look like a main hall. Just kind of looks really crowded. Not crowded, but claustrophobic, almost. It's all right. I just want it to be a lot taller. Let's say, yeah, let's say 25 meters up. It says 27 here, but we're working with like these blocks are they're 1 meter, 2 meters, I think. Yeah, so 2 meters, and so everything in here is going to be added by 2. So if I move it back up here, you can see 12, because there's this, hold on, because there's this half here which counts as 1, and then there's this half here that counts as 1. It adds up to 2. So if they were planes, then we'd have 25, which I might actually just make everything a plane, just to make stuff add up like that. But I don't know. I don't like using planes because you can't see everything from the outside. Even though we're never normally going to be looking from the outside. I don't know. I like using cubes. I might change that in the future, but we'll see. If it turns out being an issue for some reason, then we'll change it to planes. But for right now, I think I'm just gonna keep using cubes. I don't mind having to use 12 plus 2, multiples of 5 plus 2. You got it. Okay. Anyways, up 15. So yeah, we're at 25 now. We're 27 in here, and because of that, we have to scale these by so it's not double, is it? Okay, no, it's definitely not. 2.5? Use 2.5. Yes, it is. Okay, you know what? On second thought, I'm gonna have it up an extra 5. Now it's at a 30. Alright, so now we can just just triple it, and then we're on our way. We're gonna do the same thing for all these guys. Just triple it, and then move it up. Okay, and then do the same thing here. Well, not exactly. not move it. Or wait. Okay. Yeah, there we go. X, please. There we go. Actually, wait. Hold up. What happened to the X scale on this? Shouldn't it just be 10? Oh right, I need to enter the value. I'm dumb. Because doing it, entering 0.5 when scaling it, just halves it, which is not what you want, obviously. Okay. So this should be 1.25. Yes, 0.5? 1.25? Oh, I can't tell. I don't think so. Well, let me just look at it from the side. Alright. Find out if it's selected. Alright, it needs to reach here and there. Okay, so clearly it's not where it should be. There we go. Alright, 1.3 and then just an extra 0.5. Oh wait. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Is it clipping? It's clipping a little bit. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's perfect. Maybe a little bit, but can't tell honestly. Anyways, so yeah, we have our main room, walls, and roof done. So let me just go, let me export it and see if that actually looks right in terms of proportion. Like it's massive compared to that. So let me apply rotation. Make sure we're rotating across the 3D cursor. Rotate -90, apply rotation, rotate 90. And I hope every modifier is applied, because otherwise that may have screwed some stuff up in here. But we'll see. Right. Now export, and let's check it out. Oh my god, I forgot I was. Oh my god. I keep hitting the buttons on my numpad, which is how I transition from scene to scene. And I keep forgetting to look at my left monitor to see if it actually is showing the right thing. Also, oh yeah, I forgot to UV map this correctly. Whatever, doesn't matter. Anyways, so if you enter in from here, yeah, I think it's actually pretty good. It's a nice, that thing is perfect. It's a nice, huge room to run around in. I think that is perfect. All coming together pretty good. Alright. Yeah, this will help me and Justin kind of organize everything, like where everything's gonna be. Which will be great. Trying to think right now of how I'm gonna do it. Also, where's my where's my area light that I put at the top here? Let me just actually, is it one of these? I think it is. Where is it? Is it this? No. Okay. Wait, actually where? Oh, okay. Wait. There it is. Okay. Yeah, let me change that to in here under lighting. Cool. Let me change it to area light. Okay. And it is, oh, I think it's like exactly the size of where it should, or exactly the place that should have been in. Maybe not exactly. Not exactly. 31? Is that it? Yep. Okay. And then I want a light shining back up at the roof so I can actually see it. There we go. Oh, one more time. Or, hold on. Uh, and then I want to down the intensity a bit. So yeah, something like that, and then just put it down to like 2000. I don't know if it's gonna look exactly natural. Yeah, definitely not. You can see the seam. Alright, it's fine. Hold on. Yeah. I mean we're gonna put like neon lights around here and everything. But hold on, let me move this down maybe just a bit. It looks weird here, but that's because actually what is that? I thought it was because the walls were separated right here, and that was causing some issue. Oh no, it's because I didn't make it as big because I didn't think it was gonna be. I don't think the walls are gonna be this big, or the floor rather. Okay, and then this way. Wait, we have to move it forward a bit. So 80. Yeah, I don't know. Just type in 8080. I already know what it is. Type it in. That should be centered. Okay. Is it perfect? It is perfect. Now, yeah. Uh, unfortunate thing is, I wish is that it doesn't reflect this area light. Only points light in one way. So the roof looks like it's just black, but it's white because there's no light shining there, like at all. And if I point an area light upwards, it looks really unnatural. Um, which is why I need. I mean, it's why it's best. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna use a what do you call it? Point light in the middle here, because that's what I did for the other room, and it looks fine. So let me increase the range. Actually, yeah, that's fine. Maybe 45, and then 100,000. You know, we need to increase the range more, like 60, just to make sure that the sphere is covering the whole thing. So I think 70, 75. Hello? They're not increasing it. Oh. Uh. Oh, range. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. Well, let me just keep it as whatever I need to have it at. So let me just come back here. Have it increase that so that it covers the whole thing. I guess too much. Here we go. So about a 60. Good. And we play with this a bit. Okay. Let's do 60 again. Here's the power to 200,000. Okay. Here's me to increase this a bit more. So maybe 70. Yeah, it looks good. Maybe turn the brightness a bit. Let's say 150. That's good. Maybe get a tad bit warmer. There we go. Maybe colder. No, warmer. Okay. And let's just UV unwrap this texture real quick. Was I in Blender the whole time? Yeah, whatever. I'll get used to it. Hopefully I can have someone just like yelling at me every time that happens. Try and get someone to do that. Okay. Yeah. Unwrap. Whoa, I don't know why I did that. That's kind of not good. least I don't think it is. But hey, you know what? Let's see how it looks inside. It's my guess is it's gonna look extremely stretched, and it's not gonna look anything like I need it to. But who knows? Who honestly knows? Yep, exactly what I thought it was gonna look like. Cause the thing is, how UV mapping works is this square here is the image that I'm actually texturing uh, the model on, or the face on. And so if it doesn't even if it's not even bigger than this square, it's not bigger than the actual image. So if it's not covering this whole square, it's not even showing the entire image. So what's happening here is it's only showing this part of the image, which is it's a very small part of it. And it's stretching the whole square across this. So essentially, you're taking this square here and just stretching the image across it like that. Which is why that happened. I don't know why it defaulted to unwrapping it like that. That's really weird. We'll just smart UV unwrap it. And I forget how much I had to do. I think I did half of how big it was, or a quarter rather. So it's 80. So we'll do times 20, and we'll see how that looks. All right. All right. Too much. Too much. Too much. Way too much. We'll divide it in half, I suppose. Actually, in a third, maybe a fourth. Actually, yeah. Hold on. Okay, so a fourth of what it was in general, and then look back again. We need to increase the x value by like double because it's a bit squished. Maybe triple actually. Actually, quadruple. Might be a bit much, but we'll see. Okay. Oh, I went the opposite way I need to go. Whoopsie. Yeah, because this is the y. And then hold on. Oops. Okay, there we go. But for some reason, I guess it got switched somehow. It's fine. Just 4. All right, now it should be good. Okay, and there we go. Now that's still too big, at least in terms of this way. This way, it's too small. So on the X, we'll increase it by triple, double. We'll do double, and we'll also we'll keep the way the Y is right now. Yeah, we'll keep it. So half of, or half. Talk about. What are we doing? Times 3. Let me look again. Yeah, times 2. Okay. All right. Yeah, I just want to multiply that by 2. And it is this way, right? Yeah. All right. I mean, to be fair, I probably should have known that the actual shape here should have been just like each one of the actual planks, because you notice how I had it like I had it like that, and in Unity you can see that that is like almost exactly how it looks here. So I guess I can use that as a reference instead when UV mapping that. That won't work for every single texture I UV unwrap, but for this one, it actually works pretty well. So let's export walls and okay, I'm just gonna double each side because Actually, no. Now that stays the same. Yeah. Okay, I shouldn't do it as big. Okay, so maybe it's not a good reference point. I just figured because of how it looked before. It looked exactly like it did, like each plank did on the texture there. I'm gonna do ×2 again. Could I have just kept it a square? Really? Hold up. Oh no, it's the wrong way. I forgot. They're reversed for some reason. Hold up. Go back. Go back. No. Go that way. Let me see something. Whoops. Oh my god. Just point 0.5. Okay. 1.5. Why? What? 1.5. There. That's all I wanted. Oh my god. Export walls. Okay. There. Now it's like this the exact size I needed to. Okay. I thought for some reason the Y was or the X was a lot bigger, but it's not. That's fine. Let's just take it here in Blender and double. Is that too much? Is that too little? Let's see. Or not. I keep forgetting I have to go the other way. 0.25. There. That should be perfect. Okay, that took way too long. But I'm sure there's like there's some sort of math I could have done to make it easier, but for some reason I felt like taking the long path. Still kind of small, or yeah, small. I'll decrease it a little bit. 0.75. Okay. There we go. I'm fine with that. Alrighty. And let's just plaster the walls. It's not going to be the texture that it's always going to have, but just for now. Plaster. Where's my actual material? Where'd it go? Oh, it's right there. I thought that was an image. It was just so dark I couldn't tell. Alright. Actually, I might keep the walls bright, to be honest. It's just because it feels more open. Alright, my throat's starting to get really dry, so I might just end the stream now. In total, we're hitting about 3.5 hours, I think, of streaming. It's a long time for me to be streaming. I mean, right now it says 1.5 because I ended the stream on accident 2 hours ago, but yeah, I'm just probably just gonna edit these together, these two VODs together, and upload it as one video. Because I don't want to upload 2 videos separately. So yeah, I think that's how I'm gonna do that. I got way more than I needed, than I thought I'd get done at least. Today, I started a whole new project today, like only maybe just before I started the stream, like seriously. Because the last project it was so messy. I didn't measure anything, and I didn't sync up the units in Blender to Unity, and I didn't know how to import stuff properly. But now I do. I know how to do it properly, and I'm doing the architecture through Blender, which is making things so much easier, and it's why this is going so much faster, and it's why not only is it going faster, but it's going the results are much better. Take for instance the elevator. Before, if I can find it and show it later or whatever, I'll show you how messy this was. But now it's just a straight cube. That's all you see on the outside, and I don't really care that much about what you see on the outside, but even on the inside there was like little holes poking through, but now it's perfect. I mean, you can't see it now, but there's no holes anywhere. Everything's lined up perfectly. And I even have the doors in here now, like proper doors. Before I just had one door that wasn't even really placed correctly. But now it's two doors, two sets of doors at least. So that it actually makes sense. It actually works like an elevator would. And I got the neon lights in here, which I'm really happy about. And I'm noticing there's not like, I don't know what I did with the last project, but there's so many issues with the lights. Like area lights, they would flicker a bunch. I mean, I don't have any in right now, but I noticed they didn't do it. But they flickered a bunch in the last project, and I don't know why, but they're not doing it now, so I'm not gonna complain, because in the last project I messed around a lot with the settings, and I'm guessing something I touched in there messed it up, but I didn't touch anything with the settings, not yet at least, and I'm gonna try my best not to mess around with stuff, because when you're messing around with the settings, a lot of that stuff doesn't really do anything at first, but sometimes it can leave a lasting effect and it could mess up your project. Also, I'm looking at this UV texture again and it's still too small. Okay, hold on, let me fix that again real quick. I'm not even gonna show my screen, but 0.5. Hello, 0.5. There we go. Export. It sure is Unity. I'm actually about to end the stream because I've been streaming. I mean, it says 1.5 hours now, but I've been streaming for about 3.5 hours because I ended the first stream 2 hours ago. But yeah, I'm working on an app for me and my friends, where we can have like a whole virtual mansion or whatever, and do whatever in work, game, whatever. I don't care. But yeah, I think that's just about it for today. Indeed, indeed, indeed. Yeah, so I got everything I needed to do today done. I think we're good. So sorry, but I'm ending the stream now. Caught me at a bad time here. But yeah, tomorrow, when we go tomorrow? Tomorrow, or not tomorrow, just the next time I stream. Maybe it'll be tomorrow. I have no idea. But anyways, next time, might start with the hallways, because I don't really know what to put in the main room yet. Not entirely sure. Or actually the bar. I know, because Justin wanted the bar to be like up here in the air, like hanging down from chains. So I might actually do that. For your friends, we have to make a character creation type thing. We're still debating on how we're doing the actual characters. Just to start, when we actually get the multiplayer working, which we had it working, but just once we get it finished, we're probably just to start gonna be really simple with it and just have cubes with their faces on it or something. I don't even know, or just gamer tags or whatever. But we're thinking, because Justin's really good at art, like 2D art, and I'm hoping he'll get a lot better with sculpting and stuff, and he can make like actual like models of us, not like full on like realistic, but like just somewhat somewhat similar to us, something like that. Because just us being floating cubes with their faces on it would just be kind of weird. But yeah, that's probably what we're gonna do for that. And we're gonna have like the clothing and stuff, so I guess somewhat character creation sort of thing, so somewhat of an RPG. So a little bit of RPG elements in there. But yeah, there's still a lot of stuff that's up in the air right now. A lot of stuff up for debate, since a lot of stuff needs to be done. Like, we have a list of like maybe how much was it? I have the document open. Never mind, I don't have the document open. I think it's somewhere around like 15 rooms, and right now I'm only getting started on the second room. this was the first room, the entrance where you first enter. This is gonna be the elevator that you go through. You come up from the surface, and then you're gonna come through here, entrance, go through the glass doors, and then you're into the main room, and you can choose where you want to go from there. So yeah, I still have a lot to do in that area. So maybe I might, next time I stream, just work on the architecture. Or maybe I'll take a break from it and actually like make models and fill in and decorate. I don't know. I'll decide when the day comes. But as for now, I think I'm gonna end the stream. So bye bye. Actually, I'll put the stream ending part up. There we go. And the music's playing, right? Yes. Oh, both of them were playing. Whoops, don't want that. I don't know how both of them were playing, but I think because I pressed one of the keybinds while I was out of the stream ending scene. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna leave it up for a few minutes and I'm gonna just end the stream.